Brain health is a critical piece of your overall health. Optimizing brain health not only improves mental and physical health, but also creates positive social and economic impacts that contribute to greater well-being. Here to talk more about this is health and nutrition expert Mia Syn. Hi, Mia. Welcome back to the show.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. Like you said, brain health is a critical piece of overall health, and a lot goes into it, including a nutritious diet, sleep, exercise, stress reduction, and supplement products can also be of benefit. I get mine at the vitamin shop, and one thing that a lot of people may not consider when it comes to brain health is how important hydration is. And Waterdrop micro drops can help you drink more water. These cubes are made from natural plant and fruit extracts for flavor. Simply drop them into a glass of water and you get energy from caffeine along with essential vitamins and hydration without the sugar. Next, stress is another thing that affects both our brain and our overall health. And the Solar Rays Sharp Mind line of supplements are a great way to address that. They're formatted with clinically studied nutrients, adaptogens, and nootropics to support mental and emotional well-being. And they come in a few different formulations, including sleep, energy, and stress. Now, just like other parts of our body, our brain needs proper nutrition to perform at its best. And the Focus Factor from Synergy CHC contains a clinically tested and patented combination of neuronutrients and other vitamins and minerals designed to help boost memory and focus. It can also help replace your daily multivitamins. So great 2-for-1 supplement. And finally, sleep is another big one that I know a lot of us struggle with. And the Somnipure sleep gummies from Force Factor are a great solution. They contain 10 milligram dose of melatonin to help you relax before bed so you can fall asleep and stay asleep and get a good night's rest. And then finally, as we age, our physical and mental performance naturally declines. And this is a great supplement to address that. It's the Forebrain Advanced from Force Factor. It's formulated with brain boosting herbs and advanced nootropics to help you achieve better cognitive performance. For everything I discussed today, you can head to your local vitamin shop or vitaminshop.com.
Thanks, Mia.
Thanks for having me.